In the digital age, Pinterest has emerged as a prominent social media platform that has captured the hearts and minds of millions worldwide. Revered for its creative and visual appeal, Pinterest allows users to curate and share images, ideas, and inspirations on virtual pinboards. Let's embark on a fascinating journey through the history of Pinterest to understand how this platform evolved into the vibrant and influential space it is today. Pinterest was founded by Ben Silbermann, Evan Sharp, and Paul Sciarra in December 2009. Ben Silbermann was born on July 14, 1982, in Des Moines, Iowa, USA. He attended Roosevelt High School in Des Moines. Evan Sharp was born in 1982 and grew up in York, Pennsylvania, USA. He attended York Suburban High School. After high school, he pursued his education at the University of Chicago, where he studied history of architecture and urban planning. After high school, he went on to attend Yale University, where he studied political science and graduated in 2003. The idea for Pinterest originated from a desire to create a platform that would allow users to collect and organize things they liked on the Internet. Paul Sciarra was born in 1981. He attended Yale University, where he studied history. After graduating, he worked at the financial services firm, BDT Capital Partners. Pinterest was co-founded by Ben Silbermann, Paul Sciarra, and Evan Sharp in March 2010. Initially conceived as a platform for users to collect and organize ideas, the trio launched Pinterest as a closed beta version. The name, Pinterest, originated from the combination of pin, referring to the action of pinning images to virtual boards, and interest, signifying the platform's emphasis on user interests. In December 2009, Paul Sciarra, along with Ben Silbermann and Evan Sharp, co-founded Pinterest. The idea behind Pinterest was to create a platform that allows users to discover and save ideas for various projects and interests through virtual pinboards. Pinterest experienced significant growth in its early years, attracting millions of users. Its unique concept of using virtual pinboards to organize and share ideas resonated with people looking for a visually appealing way to curate content. Pinterest capitalized on the growing interest in visual content and discovery. It introduced features like Rich Pins, which allowed businesses to include additional information like prices, locations, and app install buttons directly on pins. This feature was a boon for e-commerce and retail brands looking to showcase their products effectively. Throughout 2010 and 2011, Pinterest experienced significant growth, amassing a devoted user base. By January 2012, the platform reached 10 million monthly active users, making it one of the fastest-growing websites in history. This surge in popularity was fueled by the platform's user-friendly interface and the rising trend of visual content sharing. While Sciarra was one of the co-founders, he left Pinterest in 2012, just a few years after its launch. His contributions during the early stages of Pinterest were significant, helping shape the concept and initial development of the platform. After leaving Pinterest, Paul Sciarra went on to explore other ventures. One notable move was his involvement with the venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz, where he worked as an entrepreneur in residence. Pinterest saw a surge in popularity, and the platform opened its doors to the public, no longer requiring invitations for access. Additionally, Pinterest launched its mobile app, making it more accessible to users on smartphones and tablets. Pinterest's global reach expanded steadily, leading to international versions in various languages, making it more accessible and appealing to users worldwide. By adapting to local cultures and trends, Pinterest ensured that people from different regions could find relevant and engaging content. Pinterest started focusing on monetization strategies in 2014 by introducing advertising options for businesses. This allowed companies to promote their products and services through promoted pins. The company focused on developing monetization strategies. In 2014, it launched its advertising program, giving businesses the opportunity to promote their content and products through promoted pins. This move bolstered Pinterest's revenue and allowed the platform to grow while remaining free for users. Before we continue our story, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget also to turn on the notification bell to be updated in our every uploads. Pinterest continued to expand its user base globally, reaching users in various countries. The platform introduced features such as buyable pins, enabling users to purchase products directly through the platform. By 2018, just 8 years after Silbermann, Sharp, and Chiara first unveiled their prototypes, Pinterest had grown into a social giant. Pinterest went public in April 2019 with its initial public offering, IPO, on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol PINS. The IPO was considered successful, reflecting investor confidence in the platform. In 2019, Pinterest further diversified its services by launching Pinterest Lens, an innovative visual search tool that uses AI to identify objects and find related pins. This feature empowered users to discover content by simply capturing images through the device's camera. Like any large social media platform, Pinterest faced challenges regarding content moderation, privacy concerns, and the spread of misinformation. In response, the company implemented policies to safeguard user data and combat harmful content, promoting a safer and more responsible online community. Pinterest has consistently introduced new features to enhance user experience, including video pins, story pins, shopping features, and improved search capabilities. The platform continues to evolve to meet the changing needs and preferences of its user base. On October 20, 2021, Bloomberg reported that PayPal was interested in acquiring Pinterest for a potential price of about $70 per share of his shares. On June 28, 2022, Pinterest announced that co-founder, CEO, and President Ben Silbermann would transition to the newly created role of executive chairman, while online commerce expert Bill Ready would join the CEO and board of directors. At his say in January 2023, Pinterest announced a partnership with data enablement platform LiveRamp to create a data clean room for select advertisers on the platform. These clean rooms allow Pinterest's advertising partners to use first-party data for personalized advertising without sharing the data with Pinterest. As privacy is a major concern for online platforms and their users, this partnership is an attempt to keep users' data safe and compliant with new data collection regulations while facilitating advertising businesses on the platform. The first advertiser to test the feature is Albertsons, a grocery retailer. Over the years, Pinterest has transformed from a simple idea-sharing platform to a multifaceted global community that continues to inspire and connect people through the power of visuals. With its rich history of growth, innovation, and social responsibility, Pinterest stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of creativity and human expression in the digital age. As it continues to evolve, we can only imagine the exciting possibilities that lie ahead for this visual wonderland. Pinterest has become a popular destination for individuals and businesses alike, providing a visually engaging platform for inspiration and idea sharing across various topics such as fashion, home decor, recipes, and more. Ben Silbermann's journey from a Google employee to a co-founder and CEO of Pinterest reflects his entrepreneurial spirit and commitment to creating a platform that provides value to users in terms of inspiration and idea sharing. Evan Sharp's background in architecture and design has played a vital role in shaping Pinterest's visual identity. His collaborative efforts with other co-founders have contributed to the platform's success as a popular visual discovery and idea-sharing platform. Chiara's departure from Pinterest occurred relatively early in the company's history, and he pursued different opportunities afterward. Pinterest continued to thrive with Silbermann and Sharp at the helm, becoming a widely used platform for visual discovery and idea sharing. And that's the wrap of our story for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also please press the notification bell to be updated in our every uploads.